All right, guys, I am at Mount Umunhum here in the Los Gatos Mountains, Santa Cruz Mountains, whatever you want to call it. This is the highest peak for the Bay Area. So this is as big as it gets. We're gonna do some drone flying around here and we're gonna see what these views are like. So let's go ahead and dive into the goggles, right? I'm gonna start the recording now. And yeah, let's get this thing up. All right. We're gonna hold it up.
Point updated.
And go up. And yeah, we're just gonna see how well this does. I just wanted to make sure. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys take a look at what we're dealing with here, right? And I'm gonna go fly over there. But yeah, this is just absolutely insane. This again is the Antigravity A1. And we're gonna go over here and just go around this tower. Yeah, it's just wild. There's so much history over here too. And so pretty cool just to see all of this. And I'm gonna go fly over here. And one of the things that has been just crazy about the A1 is actually the fact of just how much it can handle crazy, crazy wind. You know, that's probably like one of the biggest and coolest things about this is just how much wind it can handle. So you can just see over here, let's go in front of this. All right, so I'm gonna come back over here a little bit. You can actually feel the wind up here. But yeah, I mean, just you can see everything over here. I'm way above this tower here. Let's go up a little bit higher and just go over it. You can just see this is just crazy. Just trying to get a little bit over here. Yeah, you can just see how far and amazing this thing is. And then let's just come up over here and just check this area out too. But you know, the one thing I wanted to call out, right, is I was not a drone guy before this, and with the A1, they have just made it so easy to fly wherever you want to go. You know, this remote controller, it's just 2 tabs up to get this thing flying. And I can hear the drone actually coming right now too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so I just was not, you know, like, it's just not something that's just super easy for me to do. And I have had, really because of how the anti-gravity has made this so simple, it really has just taken it's given me so much confidence. And they just make it easy because again, you look and then all you do is just press the trigger. So again, I'm just so impressed. You can even see this water tower, this balloon up here. Literally got a bug in my face. So yeah, we're gonna go out here. You can even see that car down there. Just want to see if I can get to the other side of this too, right? Yeah, so you can really, like I said, this is the whole Silicon Valley. You can see the tire right there. You can see the tower right there. So we're just gonna go a little bit in front of it. So in wind pressures like this, you know, you got to be mindful of how the battery is looking, right? You can't be, you know, overly aggressive. At least that's my thought. And even is saying, like, right now I'm seeing the video transmission is weak signal. So I'm gonna go and continue to fly back, because that's the last thing you want to do is lose your drone, right? But pretty cool nonetheless. It's really, really impressive just to see how far, you know, drone flying has come. And the anti-gravity with being 8K, just being able to see everywhere, it grabs everything you want. Everything. And then it's just a click of a button to have it return home. Right? So it looks like I'm already actually at like 66%. And again, it's just one of those things where there's a lot of wind up here. You can see how much is working. You can even see a little lake back there, which is pretty cool. Have this return home. Wow, so this is pretty crazy. I see my drone, and well, inside I've lost.
Landing.
Okay. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so full transparency. I got up in the air and and I lost signal. And I pressed the red button here, and this thing is returning completely to me. It's just wild. You can see it land all the way. That is just crazy. So I'm gonna see what this says inside. Yeah, it's, you know, I definitely took a risk in coming out here. But all that to say is I actually just almost lost the A1 up here, which is crazy, but that just shows you, I pressed this red button, it came back to me. And it did it all by itself. I actually lost control from inside of the interface here, and it came all the way back. I could hear it climb or come all this way. And again, I was going a little bit further than maybe I should have, but it automatically has, because I hit the return home, it came all the way back. You can actually see, I mean, just look, you know, it doesn't do it justice. It's a lot windier than that, but really cool to see that come all the way back. But just a good reminder for those, that auto safety. But yeah, there you go.